If you want to get free wallpapers on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we need to open settings. Now over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to personalization. After opening personalization, then you should be able to find the editor's pick and the new section, and also a couple of more that have been already installed for you. So you can of course go through this list in order to try to find something that you would like to use. You can also tap on Find More in order to open the Themes app with the Wallpapers section selected. Of course, let's close everything over here, and then you should be able to find many different wallpapers that you can of course use, most likely for free. You can also use these categories if you're looking for something more specific. So let's say I'm just gonna choose maybe this one over here. Let's wait for it to load up. There we go. I can immediately apply the wallpaper. I can choose if I want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both of these screens. I'm gonna set it for both. There we go. You can of course still adjust the wallpaper if you want, so you can move in and move out. I mean, sorry, we can zoom in and zoom out. We can use 2 fingers in order to move the wallpaper around, and then we're gonna tap on the apply button in the upper right corner. And there we go, we should be able to have the wallpaper applied. Of course, there is also a chance that the zoom is going to be applied, so we're gonna go back to settings, let's reopen personalization, and we can customize the home screen, and we can easily disable the blur if you don't want it. There we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.